The liberal arts education gives you a wide breadth of knowledge. So you have what's called distribution credits, where you take courses in areas outside of your major and your minor, which give you some more knowledge and some more breadth to what you've learned. And you get a much more global and well-rounded education out of that than you would if you were in a very narrow research university where you study one thing for 4 years and then you're done. It's a much more rewarding way to study, but it also makes you much more marketable as a person looking for a job or looking to get into graduate school, because you have that breadth of knowledge.
I'm a strong believer in the phrase that small knowings lead to great knowledge. Your ability to know a lot of small things will ultimately result in a greater understanding of the world as a whole, and I think that's like the idea of a liberal arts education. And so that speaks to kind of why I've gone down this path.
Because when you choose to go to Mount A, you have to take like your arts, you have to take your humanities and stuff like that. And those small little courses, those add up to make you a well-rounded person. And that's what I really appreciate.
Preparing yourself for whatever comes along, preparing yourself for multiple careers now is really where students are interested in learning about the world. Learning how to learn is critical to anything we do, so that you can be really flexible in your learning.
I mean, I think what's really important today for students to think about, and for parents, is the kinds of job opportunities in the 21st century. The ones that we know and the ones that we don't know. So we need to prepare for a wide spectrum of opportunities, from critical thinking to analytical thought to mathematical skills, coding, knowledge creation, writing, oral, written communication. Really what the liberal arts and science degree does today, it prepares you for a widest possible spectrum of career opportunities.